It's a gloomy day. It's July 1st, but someone's passing by. I didn't stop here. And they did. Cleaned my mat. And it's Jory. It's drizzling. It's wet outside. It's wet outside. No. I'm gonna see, look at the clouds, and you're gonna be like, yeah, we know, we know. It's a gloomy, gloomy day. Look at these puddles. Where am I supposed to put my mat? My heart? So I've come downstairs early because when Dugu is there, I don't work out. We just play. So, like a responsible mother, I'm getting done with my duties earlier. I think I'm going to set it up there. I'm going to figure out an angle. And let's do it. The mat's going to get wet, but fitness doesn't wait for people. Shall I? Let y'all in on a major secret. My skin, so I keep trying different skincare products. I know what works for me, but then I'm just like, I'm only using natural things like oils. I'll use Cetaphil here and there because of my work. I use a lot of, I need to moisturize before doing my makeup, so I've not figured out a face oil for that yet. So I use Cetaphil sometimes. But my skin, so I switched my oil, the one I was using, and my skin wasn't looking its best. Then I switched back to the one that works for me, but it was still not where it was 2 months back. So I had stopped putting oil in my navel, in my belly button, in the middle. I started that last night, and look at the difference. Like your skin just shines, it brightens up. I mean, honestly, Ayurveda is the best thing to happen to me and this world. Look at it though, like if you look at my previous videos, my skin isn't looking bad, but it's not looking the way it's looking right now. And I've used the old oil, the oil that was not working for me on my face right now. The nicer one, not the nicer one, the one that works, I'll use after I go home and take a shower and then use that one. But it's just the belly button oil, the navel oil drops thing. Thought you all should know. how mosquitoes bite through your clothes. It's a talent, I must say. I put some clove oil on my wrists, my neck, my feet so that they wouldn't bite me, but that didn't help. Did it fly away? It flew away. No, it's there. See? Sometimes I'll record an entire like 5 minutes and then be like the lighting was so off. And one thing about me, I like good lighting. So I tried to meditate. It was a hit, not a hit, a miss. But you can't do this every day. I can just justify anything. Dugu's not here yet, so I have some more time. So I'm gonna make the most of it. I love how in videos they be like, just turn your rotate your hand like that, and it doesn't happen. It's too wet for this. As much as I could, now I'm going to go read. I want to finish this book and solve some of my crossword puzzles. I want to aim to finish one page. These flies! Is there a remedy other than Odomos, because I don't want chemicals? Not for the flies, but the mosquitoes. Please let me know. Let's see what's written for today because it's July 1st. I went ahead. I'm going through a no nail polish phase because I'm just trying to stay away from chemicals. I don't know why I go through these phases, honestly. Okay, July 1st. Let's read. Rejoice and give eternal thanks, for you know that you live forever. You do it one day at a time, living each moment fully and gloriously, forgetting the past, with no concern for the future, simply accepting that life is eternal and has no beginning and no end. All the time, you are growing and expanding in consciousness. You are beginning to understand the mystery and wonder of life eternal and your realization of oneness with me, the creator of life. Step by step, you move onward and upward, filled with peace, tranquility, serenity, realizing that as all is in my hands, you have nothing to concern yourself with. It is when you try to look too far ahead that life becomes a real burden, and too many souls bring fear, uncertainty, and even lack of faith and belief. Become as a little child, free and joyous, and life will be a continual source of delight. The reason I'm reading like this is because I'm reading through my phone. Great message. Now we're going to pick a word of the day. I forgot to do this for a while. The first word I've seen is farce, a comedy involving ridiculous situations, an absurd event. Okay. I miss this bookstore so much. I'm sitting downstairs and reading because I saw this thing that said that human beings recharge by being around trees and being in nature. It's like how you recharge your phone. We also need to be energized again, and trees and nature do that for us.
Baby, this is my Dugu baby. She's got chubby cheeks.
Pull out this mat and she wants to do yoga. And it's drizzling. It's time for me to go home. Dugu, show your yoga. Dugu, show yoga. Do stretchy. Okay, she doesn't want to stretch now. Look at these paw marks. Look at these tiny paw marks.